Are you starting?
Yeah.
Alright, the whole back seat's full. It's got, look at that, the black plastic bags are full. There's the kick start with the hot bitch on a hot motorcycle, whatever. We got jacked up, we got, see that, get a little view of that little helicopter there. That's gonna get blown to hell, or wherever toys like that go. This stuff, there's sack here. There's the punks. I guess the kids want the punks. I don't know what for. Those rockets, I hope those rockets are gonna be good. Then we got 500 gram cakes here. We got hell of a deal, totally jacked. And then this is the other side of the sackage. There's a 300 shot Saturn missile, sackages, sacks and sacks of stuff. My car's totally cram-packed. Does it take sound?
Yeah.
Yep, guys, I just found out it takes sound. So hopefully you enjoyed my commentary. Alright, here's what we came home with. There's the big pile came out of my car. Each trash bag, the black ones, are just endless, full of fireworks. This is stupid. I don't know what's in those. That's some home and garden party. Yeah, that's not fireworks. But I do have 2 cases of Saturn missiles and a case of smoke bombs at my house. But we've got, you know, Mr. Big, hell of a deal. 1,000,000 artillery shells. I'm really anxious to shoot those rockets off. Those look pretty sick. And then maybe I'll get you another video sooner or later of everything that's all in the sacks. Tons of pyromaniac fun. Thank you.